Hello everyone, I'm Fatema Abdullah, founder and CEO of Zarela. I want to explain what is Zarela in 2 minutes in this video. Unfortunately, many people worldwide suffer from brain disorders such as ADHD, Parkinson, Alzheimer, and many researchers and scientists are attempting to tackle these problems and discover a cure or therapy for them. However, collecting targeted data, especially biosignals, is a barrier in the neurotechnology industry because it's time consuming and costly and needs a group of people with the motivation to participate in the research process and data collection. Zarela is the solution. Zarela is a P2P data platform based on biosignals on Ethereum network. Zarela has 3 players: data requester or mage, contributor or angel, and neuroscience lab or hub. The requester will submit his request and contributors from all over the world will go to the hubs and collect their biosignals and send to the requester P2P and secure. And then, as a proof of contribution, the contributor will earn tokens. Zarela doesn't have any access to any contribution data, and data privacy and data ownership is ensured. You may watch the tutorials on our YouTube channel to learn how to submit a request and contribute in a request. For each of the aforementioned challenges, Zarela provides a solution. For the problem of time and cost, the platform concept in Zarela with access to borderless hubs and contributors cut time and cost by 10 times, and using blockchain technology helped to work borderless, and the token economy of Zarela based on proof of contribution handled the problem of incentives. All of these details are described completely in the Zarela white paper. Now the Zarela platform is running on Ethereum mainnet and can be accessed at app.zarela.io. I hope you found this video useful and you can connect with us in the Discord.